Have you ever walked into a room and felt invisible or struggled to make people genuinely like you? What if I told you there's a science-backed way to be instantly likable? Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to build strong connections effortlessly. Let's dive in. Section 1. The Psychology of Likability. People decide whether they like you within 7 seconds of meeting you. Research in social psychology shows that first impressions are 55% nonverbal, 38% tone of voice, and only 7% words. So, how can you use this to your advantage? Tip 1. Mirror body language. When you subtly copy someone's posture, gestures, or expressions, their brain registers you as one of them. This technique, called mirroring, builds instant rapport. Tip 2. Use the Ben Franklin effect. People like you more when they do favors for you. Asking for a small, meaningful favor, like borrowing a pen, triggers cognitive dissonance, making them feel closer to you. Section 2. The power of nonverbal communication. Before you even say a word, people have already judged you. Here's how to make sure they judge you positively. Smile genuinely. Duchenne smile. Science shows that a real smile, one that reaches your eyes, activates the brain's reward system in others. Maintain eye contact, but not too much. Holding eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds before looking away naturally signals confidence. Speak with a slight upward tone. A warm, slightly higher tone at the end of your sentences makes you sound more inviting. Section 3. The secret to being instantly likable. The most likable people follow the golden rule of social influence. Make people feel important. Tip 1. Become an active listener. Instead of waiting for your turn to speak, truly listen. Nodding, paraphrasing, and asking follow-up questions make people feel heard. Tip 2. Give genuine compliments. Say things like, "I love how you explain things. It's really engaging." Compliments should be specific and sincere, not generic flattery. Share vulnerabilities, but in moderation. Psychologist Dr. Elliot Aronson found that people like you more when you show small flaws. It makes you relatable. Section 4. Mistakes that make you unlikable. Even if you do everything right, these common mistakes can push people away. Interrupting too much. It signals that you don't value their words. One-upping stories. Instead of relating, you make it about yourself. Being too agreeable. People trust you more if you have your own opinions. Now that you know how to be instantly likable, try these out in your next conversation. Comment below which tip surprised you the most. And if you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more life-changing insights. Let's build confidence together.